Hey, don't skip the music on your videos and podcasts. I have a free tool for you that will get you that music that will spice up your videos. Let's go. Hey, a study by HighLevel says that 86% of viewers find music make the video more engaging. So let's get some music into your videos with this free source. Hey, it's Cool Tool Mondays. Let's go. I'm Janet with Future Ready Consulting. Let's look at this cool tool. So why do we care so much about using music in our videos or in our podcasts? Well, let me give you some facts and figures. 50% of TikTok users say music makes their content more engaging. YouTube ads get more traffic and more engagement when they have music behind them. Music sets a tone. It can set a tone for an ad or it can set a tone for your video. It also tells a story. So as you weave your story for your videos or your content, use music to set the mood, set the tone, and add suspense and add engagement. You can use it for branding. Maybe you have a tagline song. Baseball players use music as their walk-up music when they head to the plate. You can help increase brand awareness. So if you have kind of a vibe or a tone you like to set, a genre you like to vibe by, go ahead and choose that music to be the background for your content. There's reasons that music is playing in stores and in elevators and all around us in our world. It's because it gets us in the mood, it helps us engage, so use music in your content. I love to use it in my content because it really does set the mood and set the vibe. I hope you notice it in this video. It doesn't have to be loud, it doesn't have to overpower what you're saying, it just needs to be lingering in the background. Walk around today and figure out how many places you hear music in the background. I bet you didn't even realize it was playing. This cool tool is called streambeats. Streambeats is a source of music that is copyright free that you can use in your videos as background. A lot of people like to use it if they're doing gaming videos so they can play it behind their gaming. You can stream it or you can download it. Let's take a look. Okay, here is the Streambeats website right here. I have a link below. You can just click on that and get to Streambeats. So this is the front page, and you can start listening to music if maybe you need some music to listen to while you're doing your work. So that's awesome. All right, and as we scroll down here, we see that we have completely free music. You can listen, or you can use it during your live streams or download the tracks for your YouTube videos. And we have all the different types of music that you might enjoy and want to put behind your videos. I have it behind this video right now. So pick a genre and you can go there. If you need to create, then here you have your copyright claims form if you need that, your sync license, and you can download tracks. When you click download tracks, you get to a Google Drive with all of the different tracks that you can download. Pick your genre, download your tracks, save them to use for your videos. Again, free, copyright free. What a great tool. Thank you, Streambeats. Click the link below to find Streambeats for your use and let the music play on. That's Cool Tool Mondays. Go ahead and subscribe for more great tools to use for your creation and your business. Thanks for listening. Remember, without impact, it doesn't matter.